Okay, so I saw this video, post, this one. And the challenge is you will take the 10 million if but a snail will chase you and you die if it touches you. So my solution was in the comment section is a simple one. Just puncture or just impale it multiple times, and just to anger it, put salt everywhere and put it in a barrel with cement mixer, and also it's a quick dry, quick glue, and a bolt. So it's in constant pain with constant penetration and constant agony that will hate you for the rest of its life. So I want it to suffer like I am suffering from having $1 million. Okay, so that's what